4.2 Life Principles to Remember from the Anastasia books, and that we apply daily now in our lives. Health. Walk barefoot through the garden at sunrise. Satisfy hunger and cravings when they appear, not at fixed hours or according to programs made by others. The body knows what it needs. Insert in your diet blades of grass that the dog or cat eat. Rediscover the close connection with the plant world and the earth. Avoid self-isolation from nature. Avoid obscure, negative feelings like fear, hatred, guilt. Cultivate positive emotions like love, gratitude, forgiveness, joy. Eat fresh fruit. The ethers, or the smells or the scents in them, feed the soul. Drink living water. Anastasia's grandfather explains that living water is surface water, and deep water is dead water that needs to be revived.